Alright y'all, I'm back and we're not playing today. If you've been struggling with your installs lifting, sweating out, or just not lasting like they should, I got you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the most perfect ball cap method. As you can see, I have my braids already done and down, oiled that scalp, of course, with nothing other than IAmErickaJ butterfly growth oil. I'm gonna open this up. Y'all don't be smoothing those edges back for real, and that's why your cap and lace not sticking right. Your foundation is everything. When you're applying a wig that you actually want to last, you need a proper foundation. So that means a wig cap is a must. Having your wig cap gives you a way more secure install. Now listen, you can skip the cap step, but only if you don't need your install to last that long. Applying the adhesive directly to your skin breaks the product down faster, especially if you're more active, sweat a lot, or have oily skin. Before anything, prep is key. Y'all know I don't skip this step. I'm using my IAmErickaJ Skin Guard to remove any oils and create a clean base. If you sweat or have oily skin, this is your bestie. Trust me, your skin has to be clean. Don't be afraid to get all around your hairline and especially around your ears, because when the ear tabs start to lift, it's because you didn't clean that area properly. I'm about to show y'all how to create a velcro effect, and this is something that I created. Check the receipts. So your steps are going to be alcohol, then you're going to use the skin guard, which is what I'm spraying on my skin now and on the cap now. Then you want to go in with the adhesive. Why is she putting the skin guard on the cap? Why is she putting the skin guard on her skin? The reason for doing this, the key to a long-lasting, flawless install is to take out any type of moisture and any type of oils. All right, y'all, so I have a surprise for you. Somewhere in this video, I dropped a secret code for a free $15 credit at checkout, but it's limited time only, so don't wait. I'm gonna go in with the Hold Me Down Skin Guard one more time and spray it on my skin and on the cap and on the lace of the wig and blow dry it before I start to apply the adhesive. I came up with this technique years ago, and it's undeniably the best way to get extra security and longevity on your install. Spray the skin guard inside the wig, on the lace, and on the cap. Outline your hairline with a thin layer of adhesive to get the cap to stick down seamlessly. I like this method better than using holding spray because this creates that real Velcro effect as the lace and adhesive have a better grip with the cap. Also, using holding spray sometimes can harm you because of the alcohol properties that are in those formulas. And we all know alcohol and oils break adhesives down. The adhesive won't stick because it got broken down. Let's talk about the science behind the wig install, because hairstyling isn't just about looking good. It's the chemistry, precision, and technique. First, adhesive is a bonding agent. You don't just glue it and slap it on and hope for the best. It's designed to interact with your skin's natural oils, body temperature, and moisture levels. If your skin isn't properly prepped, meaning it's oily, damp, or has product buildup, the adhesive can't bond effectively. And that's why we always use IAmErickaJ's Skin Guard first. For a temporary hold, you can use one layer of adhesive, which will last you about a day to a week, depending on your skin type. For a strong 2-week hold, you can use 3 layers of adhesive. And for a maximum hold, for a sweat-proof and waterproof install, you're going to need 5 to 7 layers. But it's not just about the layers. It's about where you apply the adhesive. Look closely. It covers about 1 inch of my hairline and forehead area. That's how you get a melted and flawless install that won't move. Check the receipts. I dropped this tea years ago. I'm not just a product genius. I'm the teaching guru. I have thousands of DMs and multiple people that have came up to me telling me how I've changed the game for them and how my free knowledge has helped them increase their clientele and how my products actually change their lives because they work. If you've been here with me on this journey, thank you. And stay tuned because we're just getting started. We're on the road to 1 million subscribers, and I'm dropping weekly gems, updates, and all things IAmErickaJ. So make sure you're locked in. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram right now. If you tried the products before, let me know in the comments because I love seeing y'all results. I've grown so much and it wouldn't be possible without y'all support, and we're going big places this year. The same way you wouldn't want a lumpy piece of cake or a dry piece of cornbread, don't play with the adhesive like that either. You can't have it thick in one spot and thin in another. It has to be even. Smooth it out so there's no clumps, build up, or any of that. You just need thin, consistent layers all the way across. Let each layer turn completely clear before adding the next one. If you rush this step, your install is going to be lumpy, lifting, and messy. And we don't do that over here. A smooth base is a flawless, long-lasting install. So take your time, even it out, and trust the process. The results will speak for themselves. Today we're doing a sport concept to really show you what the sport adhesive is all about, so y'all catching the behind the scenes. If you don't know by now, I'm a product genius, but I'm also a full-time content creator and actress. I used to be in front of the camera all the time for YouTube, but honestly, that was just getting me ready for the exact season of my life that I'm in right now. The way YouTube had me unknowingly training for my America's Next Top Model era is crazy, but listen, I know some of y'all might feel neglected, and I'm sorry, but I got a little wrapped up in my main character energy that y'all didn't get the love y'all deserved. Once you have all your adhesive layers applied, it's time to lay this wig down. Place the lace into the adhesive and grab a fine-tooth comb to really press it and melt the wig into place. This step right here is crucial. Throw a melt band on for 3 to 5 minutes, and if you want to speed things up a little bit, use a blow dryer on warm for that extra hold. Once the time is up, remove the band and cut the lace off. But we're not done yet. This is where you really perfect the melt. Go in and touch up any spots that need extra security, making sure the lace is fully tacked down. Then take the spine of your comb and gently press it along the very front of the hairline. This is what gives that flawless scalp-like finish. For the best melt, you have to be precise when placing the lace into the adhesive. That makes all the difference. IAmErickaJ products are scientifically created for a flawless finish. We don't do ashy hairlines, no weird shine, no thick, gummy mess. This is high quality, high grade, industry standard adhesive designed for clean installs, strong holds, and a natural finish. So when you're laying that lace, take your time, press it in properly, and trust the process, because this melt is unmatched.
Man, pull that hold over. They ain't built like this.
Oh, so tight, won't slide. Oh, so tight, won't slide. Oh, so tight, won't slide. Pull on it.
Let's get into this final melt check. I'm pulling the wig, as you can see, and it's not moving. This sport adhesive is locked in, sweat proof, and shoot ready. And speaking of shoot ready, y'all getting the exclusive first look at my newest song, concept, and content. This is a behind the scenes access, and you won't see it anywhere else. Before we wrap this up, make sure you subscribe to my other channel where you'll see more of me, my family, my business life, and behind the scenes of this journey. If you want a flawless melt, every step matters. No shortcuts and no rushing. Before we even think about laying a wig, prep is everything. First up, use the skin guard. This step is a non-negotiable if you want your install to last. Next, let's talk about the adhesive. Make sure you're using thin, even layers, not too thick and not too runny. Let each layer dry completely clear, because that's the key for a long-lasting install. Then the melting process. If you want it extra melted, make sure you're using warm air for better results. Take your time and cut the lace in sections. No straight lines. You want a realistic, seamless blend. And if any spots need a little bit extra hold, go in with a tiny bit of adhesive and the end of your comb to press it down all in place. And for the final touch, the melting spray. Spray a little bit on your finger, gently tap it along the hairline, tie it back down, and when I say flawless, I mean scalp, undetectable, and clean, laid, unmatched. That's the IAmErickaJ difference, period.
On the way to the second location. We have the sports bands here. Moisture resistant head.
All the things.
It's something that y'all probably don't even know I got on my website. But if you work out, you will work out early, you
Yeah.
need these.
Period.
You need these because it's going to keep your hairline clean. It's going to suck up all the sweat and water and all the juices that's flowing out your forehead the correct way. And your lace still going to be flawless after. So, get you one of these. Come down here and get you one of these. This man looking at me in this truck.
One thing about content creation, it's very embarrassing. So if you one of them type of people that's real shy, this ain't for you. But no, seriously, y'all, we are here on set. After having such a great time, we are actually setting up and getting ready to create some magic. Looks really good. The lace, you know, is melted. You see it. No ashiness. Get you some IAmErickaJ products. If your lace ashy, get you some IAmErickaJ products. The lace is going to disappear, melt, vanish. Hasta la vista. Abracadabra. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. Gotta fix it, but y'all gonna see. Go. Pull, snap.
That was a good one.
Yes.
So, oh my